Oh my god, it's a village! Oh my god, it's a village, it's a village, it's a village! Okay, game face. There's gonna be lots of problems with this. I really need to not let zombies kill me, and also not let the zombies free. Oh my gosh. This is exciting. Oh my god, it's been forever. I finally found another village. Boy, this is gonna be fun. And by that, I mean difficult. Let's see, how relevant is it to have a bunch of sand on me? I think relatively relevant. Really need to not mess this up. I really need to capture every single one of these villagers. Not let them free, not to let them get killed, and not die to them is also important. Oh boy. I'm glad I have some wood here. So what I think I need to do is do the same thing that I did in the other village, and basically get vertical. Okay, so that's a great start. This way, I can capture some of them. Ideally, without endangering myself. Yeah, because I can hear these bad boys. And that's exciting. Yeah, come to Papa. Come on. I know you bad boys want to be around me. I can hear so many of them. Yes. Hello, first customer. Come on in. No, really, come in. Where's the door to this place? Is there seriously no door? No, don't hurt yourself. I need you alive. I need you very much alive. Okay. Yeah, come on in. Come on in, you two. It's safe, I promise. Well, safe-ish. Okay, there's one. Are there two in here? Can't tell. This is so thrilling. Yeah, come on in. Yes. Alright. First customers. Now I need to find a way to get them separate from each other. Because I don't want them killing each other. No. No climbing. I said separate from each other, you two. No, you need to separate. I did this poorly. There's no way I'm going to be able to get them separate. Is there? Oh, except like right now. Sweet. Alright. So we're just going to start the curing process. And I have smooth sandstone, so I can set torches in here and cap them off. Perfect. Alright, well, there's my first customers. Very exciting. The hardest part is going to be doing this so I can get all of them. And also not die. It is kind of dark out. But I think I'm just going to do the same shenanigans I did last time. Just get them cornered. Yeah. Like so. Nope. Nope. There will be no climbing to murder me. Thank you very little. Oh, shoot. Okay, or there will be some. Nope. Nope. Oh! No! How is this guy doing this? Okay. Terrifying. Terrifying. I just want one of you in here. One at a time. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. No, not two. Two is bad. No, I don't want to murder you. Oh, I don't know how to do this. I suppose I could shove them both in the same place and, you know, try to make it... Oh boy, I really need other enemies to not be around. This is just absolutely terrifying, I gotta say. Nope. You cannot has. Okay. So if I can cure both of these guys, we're good, right? Right. So they're gonna freakazoid next to each other. And in theory, I should be able to cap this and they won't hurt each other. Hopefully. It's my hope. That is my hope. Worst case scenario, I have to re-cure them. I do only have so many. Ooh, was that the noise of one converting? It was, I think. It is! Hooray! I still hate this stupid skin. But, hey, got 4 villagers. What was that one? I can't tell. Because they're not wearing anything. It wants ink sacs, so that's probably a librarian. You know what? I'm gonna... I really wish I had that other texture pack right now instead of this one. It's really dumb. So what can I do to mitigate that? I could take the time to modify this texture pack, but that seems silly. So maybe instead I switch to the regular texture pack for a minute. Yeah, let's do that. I'm gonna do that and be right back. Okay, here we are, back to looking super simple. It's pretty crazy, and yeah, that's totally a librarian. That's awesome. How about this one? That's still a zombie. Okay. That's fun. Oh man, it's been a while since I've had this look. I'm not the biggest fan of it, but here we are. Hey, tasty sandwiches look good though. I do like the other one. Oh, alright, new customer. What's this one? Probably just a... Yeah, just a farmer. But hey, that's something. Okay, now... I need to get to... the other ones. Or another building or something. I need to entice more zombie villagers over here. But which ones are they? There's some regulars. Oh, okay. Found one villager. Oh, no. Hurry. No. I said no. No means no. I heard an arrow. That does not bode well. Stuff's getting dangerous because it's nighttime. Ow. There's the skeleton jerk. Yeah. Come on. Oh, sucker. Okay. Alright, so another villager, or farmer. I'm just gonna wait to see that one. See what happens when it does it while we're looking. God, it didn't take that long. I wonder if it's random, the amount of time it takes. Maybe it can't happen while you're looking? That'd be kind of weird. It must be a random amount of time. Come on, I want to watch it happen. Go, little guy, go. Change. Change. Okay, bored now. Alright, so now we gotta find a way to separate the villager from the zombie. Funnily enough, neither of them are tracking me. They're tracking the villager. So that could be in my favor, I suppose. I could probably get close enough to kill that one without hitting the villager. Yep. Sweet, and then we just gotta corner that one, which I think I should be able to do because he is very distracted. Oh, the change. Alright, well, not as exciting. It's another generic farmer. I really need a blacksmith. Like, that's all I want. All I want for Christmas is a blacksmith friend. A blacksmith friend. Yes, a blacksmith friend. Maybe this'll be my blacksmith friend. Don't look at me. You're fine. You're just changing. You'll be fine. I promise. Sort of. I mean, you won't be a zombie anymore, which to me means you'll be fine. You might disagree because maybe you like being a zombie. Maybe you don't. I don't know. I don't judge either. Alright, I am so excited to finally have found a new village, guys. This journey, while it took me far from the other base and took a while, is very, very exciting. I just sincerely hope that I can get a blacksmith. Oh wait, if there's even one in this village. Oh man. What kind of a bummer would that be? Oh, there's a temple over there. That's pretty sweet. So is this only a this might only be a library. I mean, there's nothing wrong with it being a library. Libraries are good too, but I definitely was hoping for... Where are my shears? There they are. I need you to not blow up in my face. Can we do that? Can we not have the creeper blow up in my face? That's my preferred method of meeting creepers, is not via blowing up. The answer is no. There's no blacksmith here. Ugh, what a bummer. Means the search is going to have to continue for a blacksmith. Alright, but I did find another village, and it looks like there's a librarian. So that's useful. That's a regular zombie. It must be storming, since they're not dying anymore. Yeah, the skies are super dark. It's a stormy night, or stormy day, whatever. I'm not immediately seeing any other villagers, but they could be hiding somewhere. There's gotta at least be a priest around here somewhere. It could be the one that is turning yet. So that's a possibility. How about you? Yeah, come here, jerk. Come on. Come on, sucker. Come on. Yeah. Okay, so that's a regular zombie. Alright. Oh, turned. And if that is the priest, then we will know that there aren't any more prizes to be had from this village. That is not a priest. Okay, so somewhere, in theory, there should be another zombie villager. Oh, that might be him right there. So, in the interest of not dying... Oh! Yep, so I was talking about not dying, right? Don't know how that creeper got up there, but I'm not a fan. Not a fan, not a fan, not a fan, not a fan. There must be a spawn point, which I have little to no way of telling. Because I don't have goggles right now. Might have spawned right there. But jeepers came out of freaking nowhere. Whew. Now, of course, there's easy access to my safe roof. Oh. Well, that's why. You dum-dum. There's no division between... because this roof is too low. What an idiot. What an idiot. Okay, let's get back up here, where the adventures will continue. Oh, don't like that. Whew. Oh wait, there's that real zombie, right? I'm trying to hunt down my poor innocent little villagers. Come here. Can you get up here? Are you capable of finding? Oh, no, you're just gonna fall in there. Okay, that's fine by me. Ooh, the storm must have ended. Hooray, storm ending. I didn't actually want that sand. Okay, right, we're trying to get that zombie villager. Trying to get him. Don't mind all the torches. Granted, I'm probably over-torching, but... oh yeah, we're getting a whole bunch of light now. Yep. That's gotta be our librarian. Oh no, there's two more. Okay, so what can I do here? Let's just go to ground level. And we will entice him out. Like so. I should be in his range pretty soon here. Come on, you jerk. Yeah, there we go. Come here. Come on. Oh, shoot. Shoot, 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 shoot. Oh, run, 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 run. Oh. Whew. That was close. Now where is he? I hear him. Okay. Goodness gracious. Almost killed myself there. Luckily... No, 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 no. I don't want you to die. I just want you to be stuck. There's a difference. Okay. Got him. That was close. Almost killed him. I could have been the priest. Alright. So then there should just be one more. In theory. I know this isn't the most profitable village to be doing this all in, by not having a blacksmith, but there is a librarian. And maybe I go the route of simply trying to get these all back home. It'd be a super long way of doing it, but hey, if you could not keep running away, that'd be great. Ooh! This is why these stairs suck, because you walk right off them. Alright. Come here, you. Follow me. Wish I could make sandstone out of sand. That would be wonderful. But, you know, the whole concept of packing sand into sandstone doesn't really make too much sense. Hey, you. Zombie duder. Like, come here. You must want my flesh at least a little. There we go. Yeah, come on. I know you want me. No, I know you want me, so come on. Yeah. Come on over this way. Come on. Yep. Come on. All the way over here. It's fine. I can hear you. Come on. I can still hear you. Oh, are you in the building now? Oh, nope. You're over there. Okay. Alright. Yep. Follow me this way. Over here. Where'd you go? There you are. Come on in here. Come on. Are you too tall? I don't understand this they're too tall thing. They, like, can't come through the doorway. Alright. Convert the final villager here. I want to give you a light source. And that. Hooray! Village. So. The only thing I can guess at this point so one of those two have to be, or should be, the priest, which means this is almost a complete village. So close. So what I think I should do is raid this place and get set up to stash them here and mark the area so that I can get back here easily. And then continue the search, I think, because without a blacksmith, I don't think I can proceed. Yeah, because I need the soul forge. Okay, so that was one of them converting. Just gonna go ahead and tear apart this roof so that I have building materials, since I'm gonna run out of wood unless I chop down more trees. I'm also going to probably in the near future take down all my torches, since I don't need to keep everywhere safe. If I just pen all of the villagers together and give them a light source, then they should be good to go. This place I want to get into. Oh geez, there's another layer? Okay. Oh, plenty of materials. Okay, yeah, so this is the library. And I definitely want those bookshelves. Hardcore. They are probably at least half the reason that I'm doing this entire exploring adventure. So I can have better enchantments. The other half obviously being finding villagers. Okay, so let's close the door, shall we? Just do that by filling this. And then I can sort of build my way down, right? Have sand yet? Yep. Okay. Alright. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful bookshelves. Get out of here, rotten airs. I don't care about you. Alright. This is so exciting. Got myself a village with a new villager. No potatoes, though. I do still need potatoes in order to make the super meals. But the situation could be worse. Alright, so that is yet another... Oh dear, sorry about that. Or was that... No, the final one was over here, wasn't he? Apparently not. Was it this one? I don't even know anymore. Whatever, it doesn't matter. The final one's over there, I think. I could be wrong. Maybe one wandered off even further, and I have no idea what I'm talking about. Reasonable. We did get a librarian, though, and that's new, and that's great. Finding another priest isn't imperative, but would be nice. So, considering things aren't terribly exciting here, I might cut and just do some village cleanup sort of thing. And then I think I'm just gonna, since I lucked out and there's so much more land to explore here, I might continue searching and see if there's more villages I can find. I'm not sure what I want to do as far as that goes. I guess just trying to get this one villager back to base probably isn't enough to warrant all the work that it would take. Now, if I can find another village that has a librarian and... Like I have a shovel? A librarian and a blacksmith, then we'll be golden, and I'll definitely put forth the effort. Because I think instead of making a new base, I want to... Yeah, that guy definitely has a shovel. How worth it is it? The effort. A bit? It's a bit worth it. So with that, I'm gonna go ahead and cut here for now, and I will come back with the end of the episode when this village is ready to... When I have the villager sections built up and just ready to head out. So, see you shortly. Ta-ta. Apparently, instead of having a priest, this village has 2 librarians. Which, I know I said I would be back when the village was done, but I came to check on this villager. And apparently there's 2... That must mean that this is a library as well. Which, its tall height matches the other one. Yeah, there's more bookshelves. So there's a priest missing. Oh no. Where did the priest go? Unless it somehow spawned with the building and not the villager. Not sure if that's a thing. I suppose I'll have to go wandering around and see if I can find the villager when day comes. Which, it's gonna be a while? Yeah. Gonna be a while yet. So, I will come back in the morning, I guess. Toodaloo. Oh, I guess I don't need to wait for the morning to see the next villager. He's over there. So, we'll get at him when daylight's around. Okay, target's in sight. We're gonna deal with this creeper. And then, we're gonna have to get that butt boy over here without getting murdered. So I think I'm gonna be able to do this and get him into this corner. Hopefully. Obviously, sand is going to play a very dangerous role. And hopefully it won't be too dangerous. Here we go. Come here, little jerk. Oh, God. They run so fast, they run so fast, they run so fast. Okay. Whew. Made it. And so did he. Perfect. Come over here. I'm gonna make the walls a little higher, because guys are terrifying. Where is he? Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Where'd you go? You're over there. That's not where I wanted you to go. At all. Oh, he's aggroing on the... Fine. Whoops. Shoot, I don't have any more falling material. This could be problematic. Well, Mr. Zombie, if you would just be so kind as to stay where you are, without endangering anyone, I have a remedy for you. No, you're supposed to stay where you're at. I said stay. Oh. Okay. That's fun. I got him though. Whew. Got you. Ah, got you. I got you. Right? He's trapped. More or less. Okay. Cool. Alright, so... now, I'm gonna go ahead and... in theory, that's the priest. In which case, I can focus on making this a safe little haven for the villagers that I have. And go from there. I do have now just realized that I have no way of enticing them to move. So maybe instead of... I mean, I just end up making it one room that all the villagers are in. I also have no way of making doors. Tut, 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 tut. Maybe I leave them where they're at. And we just make a little map on how to find our way back. That seems reasonable. Either way, this has been wonderful. I am so excited to have finally found a village, and, you know, this heartens me to continue the search and try to find another one that's a little bit more complete. So, thank you for watching. I will see you next time.